You ready to see some fucked up shit only nature can provide? Are you really ready to get in there and see some shit you haven't seen before? I'll show you something right now, but you gotta tell me you're ready. It's in there. In the garden. Might look just like soil, right? But deep in the surface, something's brewing. Something fucked up. Something I've never seen before. What is that? Look at that. Right there. That's the pupa of a beetle being eaten alive by dozens of ants because it had the gall to get above the surface. It can't fight back. It's not strong enough yet, and the ants know it. And together they will eat this bug alive, and they will become the next soil of the flowers that we love so much.